Hello guys, so I would like to show you how to take partial profit on a running trade. And so as you can see, I have a running trade here. It's a gold trade. So now the lot size is 10 lot size and I'd like to take 50% partial profit. So how do you do it? So you go to that particular trade. You can do this on either MT5 or MT4. It will still work. So you double click on the trade, on the particular position. Yeah, so there is a pop-up. I can see that my trade is a gold trade and it has 10 lot size. So I'm going to reduce it by half. So I'll just modify that number. I type 10 and then what do? I'll come here and close the trade. As you can see, here's the trade. It has reduced by 2, even the profit has reduced by 2. So I've taken partial profit on that position. That's how you do it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.